Hi everyone, welcome to this little video on calculating dividend yield. In this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate dividend yield for different companies all by yourself. Simply because the metrics on the internet don't always match the true dividend yield. So you can always check by yourself what the actual yield is. Well, let's start by looking at Seeking Alpha, which is my go-to platform for watching my stock portfolio. You can see that Home Depot has just declared quarterly dividend. They actually raised it, which is of course good. This is the reason you want to build a dividend investing portfolio because your income is ever increasing if you hold companies with a track record of dividend increases. So let's look at Home Depot. They just declared a $1.5 dividend. It's a quarterly dividend, so they pay the dividend 4 times a year. And you can see the prior dividend was a lot lower. They actually increased it by 10.3%, which is, I think, a real good increase. So props to Home Depot. Let's look at the forward yield. It's 2.5%. So this is the yield after the dividend increase. And let's see if we can check whether this yield is correct. Well, how can you calculate the dividend yield? Actually, we have to have the annual dividend. We divide the annual dividend by the share price. And we multiply that by 100%. What you get is the dividend yield. Well, annual dividend for Home Depot is of course 4 multiplied by $1.5. So 4 multiplied by 1.5 is a $6 annual dividend. And we divide the share price, and that's for Home Depot $239.70. And we multiply that by 100%. Actually, we can calculate that using the calculator on Google. Let's see. Actually did it before. And we can see that indeed the annual yield is 2.5% for Home Depot. Why should you do this? Well, if you, for example, look at Home Depot by just searching for it on Seeking Alpha, you will see that the yield is shown as if it is 2.22% over here. But actually, by calculating with the new declared dividend, we can see that the yield is actually 2.5%. So there are benefits to being able to calculate the dividend yield yourself. Now, this was a quarterly paying company. We can also look at, for example, Realty Income. They are a monthly paying dividend company, and they declared dividend a while ago, actually 13th of February. We can see that they pay a monthly dividend, and if we want to calculate the yield, we have to multiply the monthly dividend by 12, and after that we can divide it by the share price. So if we multiply the monthly dividend by 12, which I also did before this video, then this is the annual dividend for Realty Income, and now we can actually calculate yield. This is the actual share price. As you can see, the yield is 3.4%, more or less, by taking the annual dividend, dividing by the share price, and multiplying it by 100%. So I hope you can now calculate the dividend yield by yourself. This is the formula you use, and you can of course always look at Yahoo Finance or Google to find the annual dividend. Look up the share price because it's always fluctuating. The share price of today is different than the share price of tomorrow, and you can calculate the dividend yield by yourself. Alright, good luck and thank you for watching.